I'm Kaiya and welcome back to my channel. So y'all see this mode right here? I'm about to try something different. We are about to flat iron my hair. I seen this girl on TikTok. She had a Pixie like mine and she flat ironed it, and I really want to try it because y'all, I'm getting tired of wearing just the mode, and I'm trying to grow my hair back out. Not trying, I'm growing my hair back out, and I think I'm just getting bored with it. So today, right now, it's gonna be like a rough draft, and then if it looks good, if it looks like how I want it to look, then we will do it tomorrow. But I don't even know where to start. I'm gonna comb the back of my head. Should we start in the back? I can't even see the back, so y'all would literally have to tell me if I'm doing it right or not. Let's see. I don't know if I'm just like I don't know, y'all. Literally just playing around. Literally. Like, y'all, we're not gonna start in the back because I can't see the back good enough to know if I'm doing what I need to be doing. So we'll start in the front. Should I like curl the front? Okay, we're gonna curl it. Can y'all see that? I got more than a scoop of hair. The last time I tried to do it, I only had a scoop of hair. So, So right off bat, I'm working with more than I had the first time. And the point of it is really just it's all in the fingers. How you move your fingers. Oh my goodness, my hair is getting stuck. Do that mean I don't have enough hair? I'm gonna comb it before I curl. Part and curl. Part and curl. Part and curl. Of course it wanna get dark when I start recording. Let me see. Let me fix y'all. Is that too bright for y'all? Cause clearly the sun don't wanna work with me. The sun, the lighting doesn't wanna work for me. And I think I'm gonna put some music on and y'all will just get like the clipped up part. Cause I don't really want to talk, but I do want to do my hair with y'all. So, two things can be true. Two things can be true.
Oh, this girl, we're in a fight. Says I wanna be who I am inside. Who was I called to be? How can I be myself? Oh, this girl, I'll always be the oldest and wash everything over your head. What more do you need? I'm still a lonely girl.
I feel like somebody's auntie. Okay. Now I'm just figuring out the back. I feel like the front I can work with, but the back, I don't know what to do with the back. Alright, so this is how it's looking right now. I'm about to put a scarf on and let it marinate and see if I like it after that. Alright, y'all, I have to say bye to my grandmother, but we about to put this scarf on. Sugar. Yeah, because they say you gotta let it marinate under the scarf for it to give you the effect that you want it to give. So alright, we're gonna check back probably in like 2 hours. It's 3:30 right now, so around 5-ish, 5:30-ish, I'll be back and we'll see if I like it enough to attempt to do it again. It's only been an hour and your girl is thirsty to see how it turned out, so we're gonna go ahead and take off this scarf and see what it's looking like. Oh my goodness, it's actually not bad at all. And I feel like for my edges, I could really go in and straighten it or curl it around my edges a little bit more. But oh Lord Jesus, what did I just do? I'm gonna keep that one like that. Yeah, I didn't need another one to come down. Okay, we could probably do it like that. I didn't curl that piece. Okay. Okay, this right here, and my hair is dirty, so it's not like it's not horrible. It's work withable. I think I'm just so used to my hair being flat that this looks a little out of my norm. But even like this side, I'm gonna turn around and let y'all see the back. I want to let y'all know right now that it's flat. I know, but hey, look, it feels decent. And I'm about to relax my hair tomorrow, so it'll definitely be a little better if I do decide to style it. But let me know how the back is looking. Let me see. Can I I'm gonna put y'all let me see. Okay, let me see. Okay, I just feel like the back of my head don't have no shape at all. It ain't got no shape. And then my hair probably needs to be trimmed a little bit, but I feel like it's decent. It's definitely decent and it's definitely work withable. Y'all probably can't even hear me because these goddamn dogs. Alright, but that is it. We're gonna continue to play with it because I need to figure out something to do to this head other than a mold. Okay? So we're gonna be back for a part 2 of trying to style this Pixie, finding the style that work with me. Don't forget to like the video. Comment some tips and tricks y'all use to style y'all's Pixies at home. Whether you are a stylist or at home stylist, let me know, because something gotta give. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.